Have you ever heard a sound that made your entire body tingle? Or calmed your mind instantly? Almost like magic. What if I told you that certain frequencies, ancient tones used for thousands of years, have been quietly hidden from modern science and culture? Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of solfeggio frequencies. Why were they forgotten? What do they do to your body and mind? And most importantly, should you really be listening to them? This isn't just music. It's vibrational energy. It's ancient healing. It's something you'll want to hear for yourself, if you dare. Solfeggio frequencies are a set of specific sound frequencies, each with its own unique energy and potential healing properties. They aren't just pretty sounds. These frequencies are mathematically precise vibrations that were used in Gregorian chants and ancient spiritual rituals. Some even believe they go back to Atlantean or Egyptian civilizations. The original solfeggio scale includes 6 core tones, 396 Hz. Liberating guilt and fear, 417 Hz. Undoing situations and facilitating change, 528 Hz. Transformation and DNA repair, 639 Hz. Connecting and relationships, 741 Hz. Expression and solutions, 852 Hz. Awakening intuition. Each one of these is believed to resonate with your body, your mind, and even your energy field or chakra system. Here's where things get interesting. These frequencies were part of ancient sacred music. But somewhere along the way, they disappeared. During the 11th century, a monk named Guido of Arezzo developed a musical system for teaching chants. He used these frequencies in his hymns, particularly one called Ut Quent Laxus, which used tones to help monks memorize spiritual songs. But in the 1500s, the Catholic Church changed the musical scale. The original solfeggio tones were replaced with the 12-tone equal temperament system we use today. That change made music more flexible for instruments. But many believe it caused us to lose vibrational purity. Some say it wasn't just a musical upgrade, but a deliberate act to suppress healing knowledge. Why? Because if these frequencies really do affect consciousness, health, and emotional well-being, it's power that institutions might not want people to have. Let's break down what each of these frequencies is said to do, and how people are using them today. 396 Hz release guilt and fear. This tone helps release emotional blockages like shame, fear, and guilt, the heavy emotions that weigh us down. Some say it vibrates directly with the root chakra, helping you feel grounded and safe. For 17 Hz, undoing negative patterns. Known for facilitating change and renewal, this frequency helps cleanse traumatic experiences and break toxic cycles. It's like a sonic reset button. 528 Hz, the miracle frequency. One of the most popular, 528 Hz, is called the love frequency or DNA repair frequency. Research suggests it can influence water molecules and even repair damaged DNA strands. People report a deep sense of peace, harmony, and even spiritual activation. 639 Hz, connection and harmony. This frequency helps balance relationships, whether romantic or social. It's linked to the heart chakra and encourages compassion, empathy, and healing communication. 741 Hz, awakening the voice. Perfect for those who feel blocked in self-expression. This frequency is associated with the throat chakra and helps you speak your truth, detoxify your body, and unlock inner wisdom. 852 Hz, third eye activation. This is the frequency of intuition. It helps you connect with your higher self, awaken spiritual awareness, and develop deeper insight. Many use it during meditation or dream work. Together, these frequencies create a powerful vibrational ladder, each tone tuning your mind and body to a different healing state. Now, let's address the big question: is there science behind all this? Or is it just spiritual fluff? Here's the truth: scientific research is still catching up, but there are compelling clues. Some studies show that 528 Hz can increase cell viability and reduce stress in lab animals. Other frequencies have been linked to lower cortisol levels, better sleep, and emotional regulation. It's also no secret that sound therapy is used in hospitals for pain relief, anxiety, and PTSD. Even NASA studies vibration to understand how frequencies affect the human body. The human body is over 70% water. Sound moves through water faster than air, meaning these frequencies may directly influence our cells, nervous system, and energy field. But while mainstream science remains cautious, millions of people around the world are using these frequencies with amazing results. Here's where it gets personal. People report incredible stories: a woman who played 528 Hz while meditating and overcame years of emotional trauma. A man who used 396 Hz daily and finally let go of guilt that haunted him since childhood. Musicians, healers, and spiritual seekers who say these tones have transformed their lives. But not everyone has a peaceful experience. Some listeners report intense emotions, vivid dreams, or feeling overwhelmed. Why? Because healing isn't always gentle. These frequencies can stir up old wounds, deep memories, and repressed feelings. They shake loose what's hidden. That's why we say, listen at your own risk. Not because they'll harm you, but because once you start, your inner world may never sound the same. Want to try Solfeggio Frequencies yourself? Here's how to begin. Start slow. Choose one frequency and listen for 5 to 15 minutes. Use headphones for deeper immersion. Create a quiet space. Meditate, journal, or simply relax. Let the sound move through you. Observe your body. Notice sensations, thoughts, or emotions that arise. This is your energy responding. Use intention. Focus on what you want to heal or release, whether it's fear, trauma, or emotional pain. Stay consistent. Like any practice, it gets more powerful over time. You don't need to be a monk or mystic to benefit from these tones. Just your presence and your willingness to listen. The world is full of noise, but not all of it heals. These ancient frequencies, once lost to time, are being rediscovered by those ready to wake up. Tune in and heal from the inside out. So the next time you feel stuck, anxious, or disconnected, try listening. Not just with your ears, but with your body, your soul, and your energy. The tones are calling. The question is, will you listen? Subscribe for more healing wisdom.